So hello everyone, it's GBPUSD trade analysis. Now, I would like to thank you all for the work you put in. Mostly those in the Telegram group or channel. Yeah, you guys put in a lot of work, and at the end of the day, the market will pay. It will pay you for that work. Yeah. This week I haven't been so active, but there are trades I took that I'm going to share a lot about. Yeah. So there's something also I want you guys to know. Uh, If you haven't joined Mitroplus Labs, is it a company or a firm? There is a company that is teaching guys for free, uh, teaching guys about crypto, blockchain, metaverse, AI, and that is Mitroplus Labs. So you can join in and learn something about crypto or anything. So that when you make profit from Forex, you diversify and use just Forex as your source of capital to invest in, let me say, crypto. Yeah, because we are seeing a lot of potential in crypto. We have seen news from companies like BlackRock that act as a middleman between the Fed and the Wall Street guys. You get, so you're supposed to, these are fundamentals. You're supposed to deposit or invest in where you see potential. Yeah, so Mitroplus Labs can teach you this. So I'll drop a link in the description that will take you to the group and also the website that you sign up. I don't want you guys to miss out on this great opportunity. Yeah, so let's go deep into the analysis for this week. I don't want to keep you guys here for long. So we're going to look at the GBPUSD and the state of the DXY. So let's start with GBPUSD. GBPUSD was in an uptrend from Monday. Okay, this is all an uptrend, but this week, I'm speaking about this week. This week we had a bullish week from Monday to around Thursday. But when towards the open of the New York session, we had a shift in the DXY that made GBPUSD sell. GBPUSD sell. Then yesterday, Friday, we had a retracement. That's the move we caught. That's the only move I caught this week with the Telegram guys, and we hit mad profit. So this is the 4 time frame bullish, right? And yes, we are seeing a breakout that may cause. Now this is the news. Yesterday, on Thursday, the Fed, was it the Fed, increased the interest rate. And what does this mean? It means all other currencies are going to crash. I won't go deep into it, but we have seen this happen before, and that's the reason why on Thursday the market dipped. Like it retraced its whole move from Monday down. It dropped like for I think 200 pips, as we're going to see. It was crazy. It was really crazy. Yeah. So now you have to relate these fundamentals with your daily trading. That's why I always tell you, be a sentimental trader. Be a sentimental trader. Don't just rely on technicals, because the fundamentals will wipe you. You get, the fundamentals will wipe you. You have to be on both sides. So we have this bullish move. Then Thursday comes in and drops it. Let's see. These are 100, 200 pips, 200 and like 30 pips to the downside, wiping this whole Monday movement. So right now it's a bearish movement. Of course, this was a retracement to the 61.8 level. From here down up to here, we can see that this was the 61.8 retracement. This bearish move and a retracement, then we expect now the bearish move, then we are having a retracement that has brought us to the close of the week. So expecting the market to slope more next week, though we have to wait and see what's going to print to us next week. Yeah, we have to wait. We have to always wait, because we are not the ones who make the market. Yeah, our role as retailers, small retailers in this market, is to analyze and react when the market shows us some signs. That's why I always tell you, when I log into the chart, like I've now come out, I say something. What are these traders looking at? I want the candlesticks to speak to me. Come on. I'd be like, speak to me. What are you guys doing? Where are you driving price at? Where are you driving price at? So that's what helps me a lot in this market. I don't rely on indicators, because I believe I can also make my indicator. It's very possible. I can formulate my strategy and code it properly, and I'll make an indicator out of it. Yeah. So let's look at this week on the 1 hour. This week this was a bullish move, then the drop. Now we have a retracement giving us an M pattern on what I would call high and low of the week. Then we are going to may have a dump again. It's very possible. Let's see if it's resting. If it's resting on a Fibonacci retracement area, we have the 50%. Now the 50% wasn't a fib ratio at first, but it was added there because I believe technical analysis proves that it should be there, that market will react. Now these boxes you see are trades I would have taken last week. Now sorry, I've not been releasing a lot of content. I've been so busy, but yeah, the skill, if you haven't watched all the videos, I'm sure you had time to do that because you would be getting done of your backlog. Get so if you attended Wednesday's analysis, we broke down this week starting from the first box that I had. But let's break it down again. Let's break it down again. So we have the week beginning on Monday. Now you know I don't trade on Monday. I use Monday as a day to determine where the market is going. Okay. So now this was Monday. I had the trend line running from up. Now trend lines on this chart have been adjusted because I don't want the chart to look messy. But if you're in the Telegram group, I'll be posting chats and you would be following up. That's why you should join our Telegram chat group and community where we share our free trades and we also get to speak out as traders. Yeah. So I'll drop the link in the description. You join in and welcome to the family. So we have this M pattern that would have been a very nice drop for me. Then this is a trend line running from the 5 time frame, was a break and a retest. This was the break. The retest happened here, but this gave us more peeps. Look at this movement and look at this movement. So this was the breaker retest, shoot to the upside. Now we have a clear W pattern to begin this whole up move. This is the W pattern that began the whole up move. This one. With this engulfing, this was what began the whole up move to the upside. Get narrows tell you know where you are as a trader. Are you in an impulsive move or a correction? It helps you position yourself more. If you're in a correction, don't aim for so many pips. Like this is a correction right here. Look at the impulsive move. This is a correction. Look at the impulsive move. So you're supposed to know, position yourself as a trader, always know where you are in the market. So we have the market pumping and giving us something like a channel where this was resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Then the DXY shows us that on the DXY there's a W pattern. Now, if you are using indicators like the RSI or the TDI, Traders Dynamic Index, you would see that there is a divergence here, straight and down. It's something going slanting like that. So you would sell the market from here. All these pips would be. Now, I took a trade from here. That was on Thursday, and I posted the screenshot in the Telegram group too. And I caught this whole move up to down here. Now, this was Friday's trade. I told you guys I don't want to keep you here. This was Friday's trade, and it was so simple. We had this 1, 2, third touch. So I was waiting for the fourth touch. That was supposed to be a break because I believe breaks happen on the fourth touch. They have to add up a different thing. So I have the break retest of this trend, this upper trend line, and they rally through to the upside. Now we caught this move up to there. Though this was our first take profit, we all know why. So we have the market doing its noise right now because it's a weekend. So let's just look at the DXY simply. Let's look at the DXY, the dollar index. Dollar index too. I show you a few movements and the state at which we are in right now. So this is the dollar index. The reason why it dropped, all other pairs dropped, is because of this W pattern. That was the W pattern that brought problems for this whole up move. So yesterday I told guys don't jump in. We're in a retracement, so don't go aggressive with it. So we have the DXY playing around the range. Then of course it hits our area and starts reversing. That's why we caught that buy on GBPUSD. Right now it's doing that. So what state is it in right now? Let's see the overall movement. This is a retracement of this sell. You get, this is the retracement. So once the reaction, this is the 38.2, I guess. Let's pull up a fib. This is it's a 61.8. Wow, this is the 61.8. That is giving us vibes that the DXY may either drop or pump to the upside. If it breaks such levels, it's very possible because I see it's here, it's forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we have to just wait and see how Monday is going to be. If we have a break of that zone, this is the key zone that we wait to break. Once we break that, we would have broken structure and shall be moving so validly up. So right now, I would like to see a pump, but it can also bring us back to this trend line. A drop can bring us to this trend line, and we have to react accordingly. Yeah, we have to react accordingly. So this is a key area for me that I'll be watching next week. And I want to see more of maybe buys, break of structure, or sells that will determine GBPUSD buys for the whole week. So guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for always being here. We're going to be millionaires and billionaires, I believe. And the grind doesn't stop. The grind doesn't stop. Yeah, so I've also been hosted on Mitroplus, so you can go and see my discussions. I've been there for the last 3 Fridays, and I'm going to post a link to their YouTube too. Go subscribe, guys, learn something. There are so many whales out there sharing free information. You can learn something. Yeah, have a nice day, guys. Thank you.